Very recently, I posted the review of MSI Modern 14 powered by the Intel Core i7 processor, and today we are going to talk about the AMD variant of MSI Modern 14. So we will talk about its performance, design, features, covering all of its pros and cons. So here we go. In this video, we are going to talk about the high-end Ryzen 7 version. Talking about the unboxing, inside the retail box you will find the MSI Modern 14 along with the charger and some quick start guide user manuals. It comes with AMD Ryzen 7 4700U processor along with Radeon graphics. We got 8GB RAM that can be upgraded up to 32GB. The storage capacity is 512GB, out of which 375GB is user available. Talking about the design and build quality, MSI Modern 14 comes with a light 1.3 kg aluminum chassis with 16.9mm thickness. The build quality is quite nice. The matte finished lid of MSI Modern 14 attracts some fingerprints, so you will have to clean it time to time. The design is very minimalistic, and because of that it looks premium as well. It comes with good amount of slots and ports that you can use for different purposes. At the bottom we got a large ventilation grill that looks like the music equalizer waveform. So it's quite beautiful and unique as well. There is a rubber padding provided to lift the device a bit from the surface for better ventilation, but the smartest design factor is that once you open the lid, it lifts the body of MSI Modern 14 from the surface a lot for better ventilation, and it also provides a nice and more comfortable angle to use the device. The side bezels around the screen are very thin. We got a bit of bezel above the screen and thick bezels with MSI logo below the screen, but the good part is that once you open the lid, the lower bezel goes a bit below of the line of sight, and because of that the screen to body ratio looks quite huge. The screen can be rotated up to 180 degrees, and the area surrounding the keyboard and touchpad is also very minimalistic and looks beautiful. One thing I am seriously missing here is the lack of fingerprint sensor that is available on nearly every single laptop available in this price segment and also on the cheaper models. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, MSI Modern 14 is a nice, beautiful looking device with good build quality, minimalistic design that looks premium. When it comes to performance, MSI Modern 14 with Ryzen 7 does a very great job. In our benchmarking test, its performance was very impressive, and it actually scored more points compared to the more expensive variant of MSI Modern 14 running on Intel Core i7 processor. In your daily usage, you won't feel any slowness or lag while working on MSI Modern 14, and you will be able to even play few mid-range games on moderate graphics quality. Since this laptop is targeted for the content creators, you can easily use few of the popular image editing, video editing applications for casual editing work on MSI Modern 14. It comes with 14-inch Full HD IPS screen with great sRGB color accuracy that is very nice for multimedia editing and color grading, but it would be nice if it was a touchscreen display. The matte finished anti-glare 14-inch Full HD display is bright enough to be used outdoors, and the good part is that the PWM effect issue that we have faced on the Intel version of MSI Modern 14 is nowhere visible on the Ryzen 7 variant of MSI Modern 14 here. Talking about the connectivity, we got two USB Type-A port, one 4K at 30Hz HDMI port, and one USB 3.2 Type-C port along with a microSD card reader. That is a nice inclusion for sure. And then we got the DC in and combo audio port. Personally, I would prefer to have more USB Type-C ports as they are becoming more and more important for the connectivity purpose. The battery life of MSI Modern 14 is very impressive, and with moderate usage, it can easily survive as long as 10 hours. It comes with 65-watt charger, so you can quickly charge the battery whenever it goes down. Since MSI Modern 14 is targeted to the content creators, it comes with a creator center where you will find different options and settings for better productivity. In the creator mode, you can select the software and application that you would like to perform the best. Then you have the option to select the user scenario, whether to get the best performance or the battery life, or a balanced performance between these two. You can also select the keyboard backlight intensity and the screen brightness. Under the Creator Center, you also get the option to monitor the CPU usage, GPU usage, fan speed, information regarding the device connectivity, clocking speed, GPU temperature, and the status of the storage. And then under the True Color section, you can select the color profile based on your preference and the usage scenarios. The keyboard of MSI Modern 14 is one of the best among the business laptop. The keys are well spaced and the 1.5mm key travel provides a very nice typing experience for longer typing sessions. The keyboard comes with 3-level white backlighting, and it comes with some additional keys like dedicated function key to switch between the user scenario profiles on the Creator Center and the key to shut down the webcam for better privacy. And the touchpad is quite nice as well. It is smooth and responsive, but it is a bit small in terms of both length and width. It comes with two bottom firing 2-watt speakers that provide good audio experience on MSI Modern 14 because of their placement. So they are good enough to play games, listen music, or watch movies on MSI Modern 14. It also comes with the dynamic application that you can use for various customization related to audio profile to improve your listening experience on this device. Overall, MSI Modern 14 is a nice laptop for content creators. The performance is nice. The keyboard is very nice for long hours of typing session. The screen is beautiful. It comes with lots of options for connectivity. The speaker quality is good enough, and you will have a nice experience overall on MSI Modern 14 as a content creator. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.